Looking for a powerful companion to match your iPhone? The best smartwatch for iPhone offers seamless connectivity, health tracking, and smart features to elevate your daily routine. Explore top-rated options that blend performance, style, and functionality in one wearable device. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Tensky Smartwatch for iPhone. Ranked number 1, the Tensky smartwatch for iPhone delivers a full-featured experience that blends communication, fitness, and lifestyle tools into one sleek device. With Bluetooth calling, users can make and receive calls directly from the watch, while message alerts from apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram keep you updated on the go. The inclusion of Amazon Alexa gives this watch a voice-controlled edge, allowing you to set alarms, control music, ask questions, and get weather updates hands-free. Health tracking is robust, including heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep quality, stress levels, and menstrual cycle monitoring. The 1.8-inch HD touchscreen is bright and customizable, letting you set your favorite photo as a watch face. It also includes handy features like noise monitoring, phone finder, music control, sedentary alerts, and breathing exercises. Powered by a 300 mAh battery, it offers up to 7 days of heavy use and 12 days of standard use, with 30 days standby. Altogether, the Tensky smartwatch is a standout choice for iPhone users seeking versatility, comfort, and performance in one device. Number 2. Gydom Smartwatch for iPhone. The Gydom smartwatch for iPhone earns the number 2 spot for its impressive feature list and iPhone-friendly design. This smartwatch supports Bluetooth calling, enabling you to make, answer, or reject calls without touching your phone. It also delivers real-time notifications from social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Amazon Alexa is integrated for voice-based convenience. Use it to check the weather, set reminders, or control your music. Health tracking is comprehensive, offering 24/7 monitoring of heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and sleep quality, with in-depth sleep analysis available through the VeryFit app. With over 100 sport modes, including basketball, climbing, walking, and more, it's ideal for staying active. IP68 waterproofing lets you use it in rain or while swimming. The 300 mAh battery charges in just 2 hours and provides up to 7 days of regular use. It also includes features like music control, remote camera, weather forecasts, and alarms. The Gydom smartwatch is compatible with iOS 9.0 and Android 6.0, making it versatile across devices. With a stylish design and a focus on essential smart functions, it's a great pick for those looking for reliable performance in both fitness and everyday connectivity. Number 3. Fitpolo Smartwatch for iPhone. At number 3, the Fitpolo smartwatch for iPhone is a stylish and practical choice for women who want a smartwatch that looks good and performs even better. It features a sleek, lightweight design and a 1.3-inch AMOLED touch display with always-on mode and customizable watch faces, providing clear visuals both indoors and outdoors. Bluetooth connectivity enables users to make and receive calls, while notifications from texts and apps ensure you stay connected throughout your day. The Fitpolo watch includes more than 120 exercise modes and is water-resistant, so it's ready for swimming, running, or a workout in the rain. It's compatible with both iOS 10.0 Plus and Android 5.0 Plus smartphones, ensuring wide accessibility. The battery life is excellent, lasting up to 10 days on a single charge. AI voice control adds even more convenience, making it an all-in-one device. With its balance of form and function, the Fitpolo smartwatch is a fantastic option for women who value both fitness tracking and modern design. Number 4. Yoever Smartwatch for iPhone. Number 4 on the list, the Yoever smartwatch for iPhone brings high-end design and next-level performance to your wrist. Featuring a stylish metal frame and ultra-smooth 60 FPS animation, it delivers a premium look and feel. With advanced Bluetooth 5.3, users can make and receive phone calls, get texts, and view app notifications seamlessly. It also supports voice assistant functionality, letting you manage your day hands-free. Health features are comprehensive, offering 24/7 tracking of heart rate, SpO2, sleep quality, and stress levels. With support for 110-plus exercise modes and an IP68 waterproof rating, it's a reliable partner for fitness and daily activities. The 1.85-inch HD touchscreen is vibrant and customizable, with over 200 preset dials and options to upload your own images. The powerful battery charges in 2 hours and lasts up to 10 days, reducing the need for constant recharging. Number 5. Jdcrsj Smartwatch for iPhone. Ranked number 5, the Jdcrsj smartwatch for iPhone is a rugged, military-style smartwatch built for tough environments. Designed with outdoor enthusiasts in mind, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof, ideal for hiking, sports, or hard work conditions. Bluetooth functionality allows you to make and answer calls with crystal-clear sound, while keeping all your messages accessible at a glance. The watch supports multiple sports modes like swimming, basketball, climbing, and outdoor running, while also tracking steps, calories, and distance. Its health monitoring includes heart rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and detailed sleep tracking, helping you maintain wellness on the move. Beyond fitness, it features a robust suite of tools: weather updates, world clock, calendar, music and camera controls, stopwatch, alarm, hydration reminders, phone locator, and even a calculator. The large battery ensures strong performance for days without needing frequent charges. Though not as fashion-forward as others, this watch excels in durability, making it perfect for users who prioritize strength and utility. Whether you're exploring the outdoors or managing a demanding routine, the Jdcrsj smartwatch keeps you connected and prepared with a full set of smart, rugged capabilities. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.